Shah Abdul Kawej wins TLT Excellence Academic Librarian Award 2021, Academic Librarian of the Year. The award selection committee has nominated Shah Abdul Kawej for TLT Excellence Academic Librarian Award 2021 to contribute toward the arena of academic library in Bangladesh. He is currently working as Deputy Librarian in the Central Library of the Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, BUET. Mr. Kawej actively involved with numerous activities to make BUET Central Library a modern one. In 2003, institutionally, he registered the Research for Life and DOGE, which was the first e-resources for the BUET Central Library. He also worked as a team member of the BUET Library to develop and customize the software named BUET Lib, which was established until the Koha implementation. As a sub-project manager of a HICCUP second phase titled Digitalization of the Central Library of BUET, he played a vital role in establishing the RFID systems and digitalization system in the BUET Library. He participated in several training programs in other countries like Taiwan, Sri Lanka, and India, and others on various occasions. He has acted as Vice President in the lab from 2012 to 2014 and also as sole devotee to the library profession. TLT Editorial Board would like to congratulate Mr. Shah Abdul Kawej for his excellent contribution to the LIS profession. ABM Shafiqul Alam wins TLT Excellence Special Librarian Award 2021. Library Association of Bangladesh has selected ABM Shafiqul Alam for the Special Librarian of the Year 2021 award for his excellence in contributing to the particular library field. Mr. Alam is currently working as a Senior Documentation Officer at Bangladesh Institute of Development Studies. He wrote a Bengali textbook on library science titled Granthagar Bigyan, Library Science for Bachelor of Education students. He also participated in numerous seminars, workshops, and training programs on different occasions. He has been actively involved with professional associations, including LAB and BALID. TLT Editorial Board would like to congratulate Mr. Alam for this award. Sajjadul Karim wins TLT Excellence Public Librarian Award Public Librarian of the Year. The Department of Public Libraries, Ministry of Cultural Affairs has nominated Sajjadul Karim for the Public Librarian of the Year 2021 award in recognizing his accomplishment in the public library sector in Bangladesh. He is working as an Assistant Director Library at the Sherpur District Government Public Library under the Directorate of Public Libraries, the People's Republic of Bangladesh. He participated in different seminars, training, and workshops on library and information management, office administration, leadership, APA, NIS, innovation, Innothi, and web portal. He has been working in spreading the public library movement among the country's mass people through the public library's different activities and campaigns. Congratulations, Mr. Karim, for your outstanding contribution and innovative ideas to develop public libraries in Bangladesh.